Hello, and welcome to this Descartes education and training video. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install fonts in PCSTrac. If a printed bill of lading or pallet labels do not have visible barcodes and look similar to the example displayed here, as the barcode should be displayed in this location, running the install fonts process is likely to fix this issue. First, the user should open PCSTrac as an administrator by right-clicking the launch icon and selecting Run as Administrator. It should be noted that if the user does not have admin access or privileges on the local machine, this may require assistance from the local internal IT group. Once PCSTrac is open, select the Help option from the top taskbar, and then select Install Tools. Select Install Fonts, and press Continue. As noted here, once this process is complete, the computer should be rebooted. Once the computer has been restarted, reopen PCSTrac and attempt to reprint. If the barcodes are still not displaying properly, please contact the service desk for further assistance. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Descartes education and training video.